Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. You are watching Microsoft Office Word 2007 tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to insert footnotes and endnotes in our Word documents. Footnotes and endnotes are used to add extra information to our data outside of the main text. We can use this to add side comments on one of our arguments or cite others information like reference information from other authors, books and sites without distracting from the main text. Normally footnotes are attached to the bottom of the page containing footnotes in it, whereas endnotes are added to the end of a section or a document. Come to a document to which you would like to add footnotes. Click on References menu. Come to Footnotes group. To add a footnote, place the insertion point in our text where we want the footnote to appear, and then click on Insert Footnote option, and automatically direct to the footnote pane and places a insertion point. Word adds a small superscript number where we place the insertion point. We can start typing the information for that footnote. As we discussed above, footnotes appear at the bottom of the page beneath a short horizontal line. Similarly, I want to create another footnote. Each time we add a new footnote on this page, another number will be added to this list. Once we added our footnotes, when we hover the cursor over each word with the reference number, it will show the preview of that footnote. We can also quickly move between different footnotes in our document by clicking on Next to Footnote in Footnotes group. And similarly, to go to previous footnote, click the arrow next to footnote. From the options, please select previous footnote. From this option, we can also select next endnote or previous endnote if we created earlier. And if you want to scroll the document to show whether the footnotes or endnotes are located, click on Show Notes. Next, to insert the endnotes, follow the same procedure as inserting footnotes. Place the insertion point. Come to Footnotes group and click on Insert Endnote. Again, we will get a superscript number containing an endnote, but list of notes appear at the end of the current section or the end of the document. Enter the endnotes. Again, when we hover the cursor on the reference endnote number, we will get a preview of that endnote. One important thing that we can adjust the default settings for footnotes and endnotes at any time. Click the arrow in the lower right corner of the Footnotes menu. Then we will get Footnote and Endnote window where we can customize the location, appearance and format of all our footnotes and endnotes. By default, Word puts footnotes at the bottom of the page and endnotes at the end of the document. Select the different location by clicking on this arrow. And if you want to convert footnotes to endnotes and vice versa, under location, click on Convert option. Here we will get different options: convert all footnotes to endnotes, convert all endnotes to footnotes, and swap footnotes and endnotes. Select a option you want and click on OK button, and next select a design number format from the given options. Also, we can label our notes with a symbol instead of standard numbering system, and click on Apply. Now let's create a footnote. Notice that here it is not showing the footnotes that we have created earlier because they all are converted into endnotes. Let's check. And if you want to delete a footnote or endnote, select its reference number in the text and press delete from your keyboard. Then the footnotes, which is converted as the endnote, will disappear from the endnote pane. Similarly, I want to select a footnote, press delete. Come to end of the page, and here it is not showing the footnote. Like this, we can insert footnotes and endnotes in our Microsoft Office Word 2007 documents. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. ITBot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.